Thus the next question number 2 the origin multiple line graph kimbe multiple line graph origin line graph two or more on the read pe thang the chokta per chon the never question number 2 giga development so the following line graph gives the percent profit earned by two companies X and Y during the period 1996 to 2001 and the percent profit kimbe the y-axis the percent profit kimbe x-axis the years kimbe the multiple line graph here the group to par graphs na sumberai the legend ti tawol company X kaina company Y kaina legend na jiu the profit key formula is in general profit percent is income minus expenditure divided by expenditure into 100 the another first question part A ki kachlam mesojin if the expenditure of company Y in 1997 was 1997 expenditure of company Y the rate team bill was rupees 220 crores. What was its income in 1997? The company Y की expenditure in 1997 the rupees 220 crores invested 220 crores invested. What was its income? Income ka imsi na tengo be mol. Income te ne gitelo the formula di chu be junela. Na formula na ra jin chanelo profit. Ani formula na lo substitute pe odelo. The 1997 na be ochin company Y ki the first profit ki value chu odelo profit di 35%. So 35% se that to 35 jam chini mela 35 over 100 se chini mela 100 the power side na yil 100 the formula na tawajin 100 the power side na yi ani beni 35 se jam chigula is equal to that to income di mishibe fine pe go minus expenditure di 220 crores sembe over expenditure di 220 crores into 100 so the ne pe bodulu and 220 the 100 the other side na bodulu 35 into 220 over 100 is equal to income minus 220 so income is equal to 120 the far side na bodulu other side na bodulu 35 into 220 by 100 ki 77 to know the 220 the plus 220 show me wala therefore income is equal to 297 therefore income in 1997 company Y ki income in 1970 rupees 297 crores anim chimbel the formula na substitute pe be joni jam chin lan so part B ki version if the incomes of two companies were equal in 1999 nalu income equal version what was the ratio of expenditure of company X to that of company Y in 1999 the income the equal investment in the two income of company X the income of company Y the equal investment ani bodulu tang equal version achi calculation na uniform base pe ni tenu that X is yung base agil ani be imbachin the question of sojin what is the ratio of expenditure of company X to expenditure of company Y ani ratio di tengu bel the ani ratio te ni tenu first company X company Y first ka chipen so company X ta company Y nale expenditure of X ta expenditure of Y chege anale ratio ten tupla ani bodulu the 1999 na beojin company X ki di profit the ni formula na substitute pe ni rangil profit the 50 in the 50% therefore 50 is equal to the income minus so the income data to X special minus expenditure of X divided by expenditure of X into 100 the cross multiply tam da to cross multiply tam the EX into 50 jonime so 50 into EX is equal to the 100 t nara de mola ani bodulu 100 t ani the numerator side the multiply tam dulu 100x minus 100 EX so 100 EX the other side na ba bodulu far side na bawdulu 50ex plus 100ex se jome 50ex plus 100ex is 150ex is equal to 100x. Therefore the ratio of ex by ey to ex the subject pe sochagi ex is equal to 100 by 150x. The simple way mabe wata to ane bera share to be the company y give you profit 16 be income di to equal be x bera share income expenditure of y into 100. The real cross multiply by 60 ey is equal to 100x minus 100 ey. So that the 100 ey the other side na ba 160 ey is equal to 100x. ey is 100 by 160x. And ex the ey topchi unle question ki kachi ask per ratio of ex by ey. The ex by ey ki ratio di ex the 100 over 150x in divided by ey di 100 over 160 x in and the x cancel jone 100 cancel jone mapa through 100 cancel jotangan so cancel jotanga se hami go is the direct calculator na zuru calculator na zojin hamara bracket t tele 100 divided by 50t bracket close tele division divide ki sign the ape bracket open 100 divided by 16 bracket close pewdulu answer thyo the answer can be 16 by 15. Therefore ratio of expenditure of company x to company y ki expenditure the 16 by 15 ml or 16 is to 15. The calculator na direct to the answer the 1 by 15 se thyo to a mixed fraction the improper fraction na so negative shift f pe tele fraction gi button ji de mi di evening shift f pe fraction gi button di a b by c se mi chi mo ani go evening and we will improper fraction 16 by 15 second. The part C given the incomes of two companies X and Y in 2000 were in the ratio 3:4. What was the respective ratio of their expenditures in 2000? The income equal to ratio to negative the income in the ratio of 3:4. Income ki ratio 3:4 we can the ratio not in the ratio 3:4 to we can assume income of x as 3x and income of y as 4x katsanim ratio not in the the neve patiently to question what was respective ratio that x to y expenditure of x by expenditure of y ratio to earlier question era sumberjuni company X company Y the 2000 na company duro ani formula na substitute pe dira juni the company X ki 2000 na profit is 65 imbe 65 is the income division 3x yasimol company X ki 3x minus expenditure of x the machita to find pe gobi into 100 the duro cross multiply pe 65 ex is equal to 100 ki multiply tam 300x minus 100 ex the 100 ex other side na about 165 ex is equal to 300x. So ex the subject pe so it becomes 300x by 165 300x by 165. The and company Y ki company Y ki to profit 50% in 50 is equal to the income the company Y ki 4x 4x minus expenditure of Y over expenditure of Y into 100. The cross multiply by 50 EY is equal to multiply 400x minus 100 EY 100 EY other side na 150 EY is equal to 400x. Therefore EY is equal to 400 by 150x. The ratio of the ex by ey ratio of the ex by ey ratio to ex की value 300x by 150 से the ey की value 400 x by 150 set of g. So x cancel, that 150 by 150 I cancel chotu. But the calculator na direct to this bracket open 300 by 150 bracket close divided by bracket open 400 by 150 bracket close value 15 by 22 stone. And the version ratio of expenditure of company X to expenditure of company Y ratio 15 by 22 in 15 is to 22. The question part 3 version. The expenditure of company X in year 1998 was rupees 200 crores, and the income of company X in 1998 was same as expenditure in 2001. The 2001 the 1998 giveaway. The income of X in 2001 was the two question given. Company X kimbe 1998 the 2001 gi the nini gutagobe the nivel first rakashino soji 1998 na expenditure of company X in 1998 was rupees 200 crores, and the income of company X in 1998 was same as expenditure in 2001. Therefore 2001 na expenditure is same as income of company X in 1998. The 2001 की expenditure the 1998 की income the equal message in the mola. The income of company X in 1998 was same as expenditure in 2001. Anivadalu find pe obligation message the income of company X in 2001. The nagi income defined pe obela. Anivadalu income find pe ni delo हमारा expenditure को be expenditure the 1998 की income the equal बन की 1998 की income से obela first the 1998 की income से नहीं दलो 1998 na version the two company X की percent profit percent if you में therefore 5 is equal to income minus expenditure over expenditure into 100. Sorry, expenditure 200 crores in the anyway pay the 200 the 100 other side na version 5 into 200 by 100 is equal to I minus 200. So I is equal to the 200 the other side na value the 5 into 200 divided by 100 the 110 10 110 200 other side na value plus 200. So income the 310 juila 1998 na income 310 imbe 1998 na income 310 version we know that expenditure of 2001 is same as income in 1998. Therefore expenditure of 2001 the 310 rupees 310 crores imbe the 2001 की income से होवे 2001 ना जो दलो company X की version तो profit थी 15 बे so या formula ना चुबे तो formula ना रहा चिंजी लो question ना formula चु दरो 50 is equal to the income दी तो find पे होवे minus expenditure दी 310 बे over expenditure into 100. So 50 into 310 over 100 is equal to I income minus 310. The income is equal to 50 into 310 divided by 100 value 155 no the 310 other side na value plus 310 value 465. Therefore income in 2001 company X income in 2001 version rupees 465 crores anin chimbel ania that those loksu chi pe opania mi sora the formula na substitute be initially. The next question is if the expenditure of company X and Y in 1996 were equal 1996 na lo koni expenditure equal to the total income of two companies was 342 crores. What was total profit of two companies? The profit the income minus expenditure se tangobe the two give expenditure of company X the expenditure of company Y equal in bemola 1996 na to equal the uniform be benigitelo X base jum be shagi dele total income di kan chimbe sojin company X the company Y dom the total income in 1996 rupees 342 crores symbol 다음에 보도록 더 question 기까지 ask 보면서 지금 profit 뒤등 up에 ask 보면 what was total profit of companies in 1996? The profit 등 오진 profit the total income minus total expenditure에서 주고 몰라 formula 나라 진짜는 profit the total income minus total expenditure에서 주고 total income 디다도 342 인베스 진이도 다도 find 배고브라 total expenditure find 배고벨 total expenditure the ex plus ey से जो ex the ey नीचे x पेशन देगी total expenditure 2x से जो नहीं में आने बदल तो find 배고비 x की value define 배고벨 the x की value find पे नहीं देनो x थीटा तो expenditure की value find पे नहीं देनो company x company y the company x the company y की तरह profit की formula ना चुबी जो नहीं ला 1996 ना बेवदलू company x की बेवचन profit percent 14 बे so 40 is equal to the income दी बेवचन दा तो ix से चने ला income ix till expenditure दी x ही मोला divide by expenditure expenditure बेवचन company x ता y नी चलेगी x पे assume बे सही so into 100 बेवदलू दोनों cross multiplication बेवचन 40x is equal to 100 ix minus 100x so only the 100x the other side about 140x is equal to 100 ix that ix the subject पे सोचा नहीं लगा ची ix the subject पे सोचा तो ix is equal to 140 by 100x ix the आने चितो चिमोला similarly company y की थे का बेवचिन profit थी तो 45% में therefore 45 is equal to income of company y that mishi minus expenditure the x over expenditure x into 100 so 45x is equal to income of company y minus multiply by 100 income of company y minus 100x so 100x other side na 145x is equal to 100 iy income of company y is equal to 145 by 100x and the ix the iy की value find b ix the iy की value find b simle the we know that ix plus iy is 342 ana substitute पे नहीं लेता x की value find पे नहीं देना we know that ix plus iy is 342 and first partner थी मोल दाने बदलो ix थी 140 by 100 x इम्बे plus iy थी 145 by 100 x इम्बे is equal to 342 दानी decimal ना सोरो है तो 1.4x plus 1.45x is 342 दानी 2.85 जो निम्बे 2.85x is 342 therefore x is 2.85 divided by 342 divided by 2.85 पे बदलो x की वैल्यू 120 थे में x की वैल्यू 120 थे में दलो therefore the expenditure पे वचन income पे वचन total income दी तो total इमें total income दी पे वचन two companies की total income 342 ही से थी 240 the two companies की total expenditure दी पे वचन तो expression so दिए मोला तो चले expression so दिए total expenditure दी 2x में 2x means 2 times x की वैल्यू 120 पे बदलो total expenditure 240 तक चले आने बदलो profit दी करीम चीज़ में सोची profit की formula question आरे जिन्हें जानो income minus expenditure तांगो पे 342 minus 240 पे बदलो two companies चिका पे बदलो profit थी पे वचन rupees 102 crore तक आने बदलो what was total profit of two companies together in 1996 से वचन two companies चिका पे बदलो profit थी 102 crores तक नल that ये formula ना substitute भी equation चीज़ हो भी नहीं रहा इम्बेल the part f की वचन what is the ratio of income to expenditure of company x in 2001 नालो company x की income to expenditure ratio तेंगो बेल the formula ना चू दलो profit थी 50% इम्बे मोल 2001 ना company x की profit 50% इम्बे income minus expenditure over expenditure into 100 तानी दी method so be kade be bitu the two method na be gela two method na be udul ta tambara 100 di phasa na bawchin 50 over 100 is equal to da ni ji ngachi break pe tu ani party kadi break pe tu sevajin I by e minus the numerator is so ani be tun be numerator rana sab ba be ani pe tu e di I da e ni cheragi ani numerator ni cheragi denominator na ba be ani break pe tu da ni bawchin 50 by 100 is equal to I by e minus e by e is 1. Therefore, I by e की ratio दी 1 the other side na बाव पे 50 by 100 plus 1. So I by e is equal to तानी 8 पे हो 150 by 100 थ्यों. So ratio दी 3 by 2 से जो मिला. Income by expenditure की ratio 3 by 2 से आने बेटे में तेमें में था so वे ना पे थंग दी profit is equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. At the Chile Petusumbera cross multiply Pebelu 50e is equal to 100i minus 100e. The 100e the other side na bawchin 150e situi 150e is equal to 100i. Therefore ratio of income to expenditure Beoli Tenigive e the far side na ba 100 na side na banila. E far side na bawdalo I by e jui 100 na side na bawdalo 150 by 100 yasi 150 by 100 3 by 2. Therefore, ratio of income to expenditure of company X in 2001 was 3 by 2. Ratio di 3 by 2 in bela. That's all nisum question temdalu line graph kitete read penity sus shikanyemi chamdo to bere the momadira ya formula din the question na rechinitu ani formula na chui